Hi everybody, welcome again. This time we are going to be dealing with the grammar of theme 4, Science and Nature, for students of grade 11, UAE English Skills. In theme 4, you studied the following grammar points. So we have mainly 5 grammar points to cover today. First one is questions with what and which. Number 2 is relative clauses with which, who, whom, that, where, or whose. Number 3, modal verbs of possibility, such as can, can't, may, might, will, and won't. Number 4 is the first conditional sentences. Number 5 is the indefinite, definite, and zero articles. We'll start with questions with what and which. Notice that the word which can be either personal or non-personal. That means it can be used for persons or non-persons. So, for example, if you are looking at some boys, we could say, which is your son? The one with the black jeans, okay? Or another example, which of the juices do you prefer? Orange or pineapple and mango. So here you notice that in the first example, which is your son, we were talking about a person. Which is your son? Here it's personal. And in the second one we are talking about juices, and that means here it is used in a non-personal way because we are not talking about persons. Next, what is only used non-personally. That means it is only used with non-persons. So I could say, what sort of plants grows in your garden? I'm asking about sorts of plants. What sort of plants grows in your garden? Next, which is used when specific information is requested from a restricted range of possibilities. I mean, we don't have a lot of possibilities. We have a restricted number, a small number of possibilities. In other words, we use it when there is a limited choice of answers. Okay? So, for example, suppose we are looking at a pile of coats. We have some coats. We are looking at some coats. We could say, which is your coat? Which is your coat? Here we use which because we have a number of coats. We don't have so many coats. Actually, we have a restricted number of possibilities or choices. Which is your coat? And the answer would be that black one. So here, a restricted range of possibilities is existed. What is used when specific information is requested from a general or open-ended possible range? So here we have the opposite of the which case, because here we have a general or open-ended possible range. We have so many possibilities, not a restricted range of possibilities. An example, if someone says, I've got your address, what's your phone number? Here we cannot say which is your phone number because we don't have a number of choices. What's your phone number? It's 267-358. Here we have an open-ended range of possible information. We have an open-ended range of possible information. It could be any number. I'm not choosing between two numbers, for example. We use which before one or ones. So if we have the word one or the word ones, we can use which. An example, which one is stronger, the cat or the tiger? Which one is stronger, the cat or the tiger? We can use both what or which with the same sentence. Sometimes you can use either what or which in some sentences. And here, what and which is an interrogative pronoun used as a determiner. We'll see how that means in a moment. If you're talking about a shop, for example, I could say, what side of the street is it on, left or right? And I can possibly use which here by saying, which side of the street is it on? So in this sentence, both what and which can be used. What side of the street is it on, left or right? Or which side of the street is it on? Another example. Did you see that documentary about the SARS virus last night? Of course, documentary means a documentary film about the SARS virus last night. No. What channel was it?